Hi, it's Mike from Custom Cruise. Here we are, Bagger, doing your headstock bearings. Okay, officially take all the fairing off. Okay, if you can suspend it from the ceiling, what you can do, you can actually lift this up. Okay, move this out of the way to get in. Okay, you just take your radio out, and basically you can actually get in to do it. And then obviously, as you can see, triple trees are off. But very, very simple way of doing it, and it obviously does work because I've just done it. But saves a lot. This is falling over, but saves a lot of messing about. And obviously, if you want to replace your fairing brackets, etc., you can. But to be honest, the steel ones seem perfectly all right to me. I'm going to change the bars as well. But by doing it this way, you can actually move this back from the fairing and get at everything. Okay, so real simple way of doing it. Suspend it off the ceiling, undo your bolts on the sides, and the whole fairing just comes off. Because basically, you've just got some bolts here. That then allows you to take your triple trees out. Okay, so I've taken my triple trees out. I'm going to do the headstock bearings, you know, knock them out. I can still get at them like this, you know, and obviously this is movable. You know, this is quite movable. I can move this thing out of the way. So if you're interested in any headstock bearings or bagger tips, give us a bell. 01773 835 666, alternativecustomcruisers.com. Thank you.